Good morning and welcome to the locker room. Coach Ack here, and today's message is get ready for your close-up. At any moment, all eyes may be on us. Will we be ready? When we're new in our careers or in a particular job, we may have to learn and build a foundation. We may not have all that much responsibility, but if we treat our work the right way, we can grow by leaps and bounds. How do we do this? We act like we're about to be called on in a difficult situation. This is huge because that mentality will drive us to learn, grow, and practice harder than most other people. Often, we have opportunities that we don't seize because we're not expecting them or ready for them. But when we assume that chance is right around the corner, we push ourselves to stay ready and are actually excited to step up. We've seen examples of this throughout history. One I've talked about before is Tom Brady, picked 199th in the NFL draft, and got his shot when the Patriots starter went down with an injury. In your company or your department, someone gets sick, suddenly quits. Would you be ready to carry the extra weight? So today, let's look ahead to our bright future and act today as if those opportunities are headed our way right now. When we do, we're always ready for our close-up and our very best life. Thanks for taking 2 minutes today with us in the locker room. We'll see you next time. Make it an amazing day. Today, I'm giving you a choice. You can click the subscribe button to your left, or if you're already subscribed, you can click the like button to your right. Totally up to you today.